Today, we will upgrade our Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro with the KCM Set, enabling it to print in multiple colors. To install the ChromaHead in place of the stock print head, we need to attach this custom-designed mounting part to the machine. You can download the STL file from the links in the video description. Insert the square nuts into the designated slots on the mounting part so we can secure the ChromaHead properly. Next, remove the front cover of the ChromaHead and unplug the fan cable from its connector. Secure the ChromaHead to the spacer by tightening the screws. Then, install the 8-in-1 module. Connect the print head cable and tighten the screws to secure it. Plug in the fan cable and reattach the front cover. To mount the extruders, we need to attach Sigma profile holders. First, remove the motor screws, position the mounting part, and then tighten the motor screws again. Make sure to check the orientation of the motor cables at this stage. Insert the T-nuts into the Sigma holder part. Secure the extruders to the top profile of the machine. Then connect the motor cables to the corresponding extruders in the correct order. Next, carefully plug the motor cables into the KCM, ensuring the correct sequence. Connect the USB Type-C cable to the KCM and plug the USB hub into the printer. Before installing the PTFE tubes, move the print head to its farthest position. Cut the PTFE tubes to the appropriate length and install them. Repeat the process for the remaining 2 extruders by moving the print head to the farthest position again. Secure the PTFE tubes and the print head cable using the PTFE holder. Plug in the printer's power cable and turn it on. Connect the LAN cable to the printer and retrieve its IP address. And connect the KCM cable to the printer. Open a browser, enter the IP address, and access the main sale interface. Go to the machine section and delete the printer.cfg file. You may back it up before deletion. Then, upload the new configuration files. You can find them on our GitHub page via the link below. Open the kcm.cfg file, go to Devices, click Refresh, copy the new serial path, and paste it into the serial section. Click Save and Restart. Next, open the ChromaHead.cfg file. Go to Devices, click Refresh, copy the new serial path, and paste it into the serial section. Click Save and Restart. Once the dashboard appears, open Orca Slicer and load the model. Paint the model, slice it, and start the print. This print took 13 hours and 43 minutes on the KCM-equipped Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro. Thank you for watching.